Hi, welcome back to Ballroom Feed, another Technique Tuesday. This time we're going to be discussing what is the difference between the waltz and the Viennese Waltz.
The two things we're going to talk about is first, the most obvious one is the speed. So Viennese Waltz is significantly faster than regular waltz, right? But as a Technique Tuesday, the next biggest difference is waltz is slower, so we have rise and fall in that dance, which gives it a much different characteristic than Viennese Waltz, which doesn't have rise and fall. So if we demonstrate what we're talking about here, if we dance waltz, we have literally a leveled change between being lower and being higher during this box step, where let's say we were going to dance the same box step, even at the same speed for Viennese Waltz, our knees just stay soft the whole time, and we skate across the floor more than having such a dramatic level change, and the speeds give us the ability or not to do that, right? So because waltz is so slow, we can bend much more in the knees, start to have a little bit of swing and sway in certain things that give us rise and fall. Whereas if I go dance Viennese Waltz, which is like almost twice as fast, right? Now I don't have time to pop up and down, so I have to stay more in the same plane the entire time, where if I did this, it would
look so crazy.
it would be nuts, right?
Yeah.
So remembering that Viennese Waltz doesn't have the same rise and fall at all that regular waltz does because of the extreme speed change.
All right, hopefully that cleared it up for you a little bit what the difference is, and we highly suggest if you're a beginner starting with the waltz, and then once you feel good with that, then graduating to learning the Viennese Waltz later, okay? We do have waltz right now up on our website, How to Dance Waltz with a Partner, so go check that out, ballroomfeed.com. We have a wedding style Viennese Waltz, which is very different than your regular Viennese Waltz, but you're welcome to check that out if you're a beginner right away because it is geared for beginners, and eventually we'll have Viennese Waltz up for you in full in our smooth section. All right, guys, thanks so much. See you in the next one.